how to use a Dolce Gusto coffee machine. So we have this one here. We didn't know how to use it. It was a bit complicated. So, but now I figured it out. So you just have to plug it in, and if you have a button, turn it on. But this one turns on automatically. Then just get the old one out. Oh yeah, pop it first and then get the old one out. Just remove it. Ooh, hot. And then put in the new one. And press it so it gets popped. And then you can choose if you want a cold or a warm coffee. And yeah, then you can already directly use it and make a nice espresso or cafe crema.
Wow. Looks good. Any final words on it? Okay, so